So come back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you some amazing app that will allow you to earn money just by doing simple things you used to do on this other social network like Facebook and WhatsApp. Okay, all you just need to do in this place is just post some pictures, write some review, write some comments, and you get paid. Okay, so if this sound good for you, please subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to like the videos, and also do not forget to share these videos with friends so that a lot of people can benefit from it. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do now, make sure you have a network connection, have an Android smartphone, and go to your website, or you go to your Play Store and download Blacksby. Download what? Blacksby. Okay, this Blacksby is a platform, more of a Facebook, that allows you to just drop, post some pictures, write some comments, and earn money. And this very platform also allow you to post your own adverts, okay, and get a lot of customers for you, and get a lot of customers for yourself, and you make money as well. Okay, now you can see this is the interface of this very platform. This is the dashboard. Okay, you can see how it is. So all you just need to do, pick up your phone and go to your Play Store and download this amazing app. Okay, this is the app, Blacksby. You can scroll down and you see some review for yourself. Okay, you can see some review for yourself. This app is good, and I foresee in the nearest future this platform will supersede Facebook. Okay, so all you just need to do, download it. If you don't want to download it, go to your Chrome and type in the address blacksby.com. Okay, you can see you can add podcast here and as well get paid. Okay, there are lots of things you need to do here. Okay, how well do you know R&B music for 5 bit? You see, go to this place, click on more, and you just perform the little task they want you to perform there, and you get paid. Okay, I say, how well do you know this music? Trivia. Guess the title of the song from the clip below. Open slot 19,999 completed. Log in to complete this challenge and earn 5 bits. Okay, so you see a lot of things here going on. How well do you know this? You see, log in here, you get this 5 bit. 1000 Blacksby is equal to 1 USD. Okay, 1000 Blacksby is equal to 1 USD. Okay, so all you just need to do is just keep running it, and keep making a lot of Blacksby, and convert it to your USB, and it's withdrawable. Okay, so thank you so much. The next thing that we need to do now, you don't need to be thinking of how do I sign up, how do I start this. We're going to going to do all of this together, and you see how it works. Okay, you see this place. If you want to add your content, this is where you add your content. This is where you do a promote challenge. Topic: how good are you at filmmaking? The payout is 2,500 BUS Blacksby, sorry, 2,500 Blacksby, which is roughly 2.5 USD. Okay, that's the average they will pay you there. And this one says, how good are you at striking poses? 49. This one, 1,000 BSB payout. Okay, so it's equal to 1 USDT in conversion. Flag challenge 7. This one is 7 Blacksby payout average. Okay, African American actress 5 payout. Okay, so let's quickly go to the sign up. You have seen it, you have seen how it is. Let's do the sign up together and see what it is. Let's click on this three line. If you click on this three line, you see the podcast, the library, the business. This place allow you to post your own businesses and get noticeable and get customers. Talent, this place you can post your talent, what you're good at creating if you're creative. Classified, events, and about us. This is where you really find out about them. Okay, so you can make your own research and start earning immediately. Okay, so currently now we're going to login or create account. Since we are new here, we're going to go into create account. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, click on this login though, then you go to create account. Create account here, down here, create one. So if it shows you where you can create one here, the next thing that you just need to do, click on put your email and click on get new code. Okay. So as you can see, you just put in your email here. If you put in your email here, click on sign up. So if you click on sign up in this place, we are required to put in our username and account goal, the main reason for joining. Please choose carefully. Okay, then you put your new password, you put your new password confirmation, you put your name, your first name, your last name. Referral is optional. Okay, then you click on create account. So in account goal, the main reason why you joining this, you are joining this to make money. Okay, so all you just need to do, click on the second one. I want to earn money for promoting this platform. So I just sign up and I've been asked to verify my email right away. Okay, and answer okay, verify my email. Okay, a verification email was sent to kingvictory76@gmail.com. Please check your inbox. So I'll go to my email now and verify my email. Okay, this is my email and I've seen the email. So the next thing I will just need to do now is just to open the email and click on verify your account. Wow, so my account is currently verified. So what it's showing me now is that welcome to Blacksby, the Black First social media network designed especially as a safe place for melanated people to share, believe, inspire, and more importantly, prosper. We are also we also place you. Okay, that is it. You can see it. And having verified my account, you have seen that the dashboard have changed. Okay, you can see that my dashboard has changed. Okay, now if you look at the top, there is a dollar sign now, which is where my balance will be, and there is a home sign. There is also this three dot. There is also a referral program on this very platform. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to look at is that you look at the dashboard carefully. You can see it, Blacksby, OLST, Black Business News. If you want to join, okay, inspirations, you want to join, Blacksby Arts and Entertainment, you can join all of this. Okay, this huddle was created to highlight contribution Black people have made to descendant of slaves. We are descendants of people turned into slaves. Okay, that is all. By the way, click on your task, come to up here and click on task. Okay, join huddle to get engaged. It looks like you may be missing out on some great discussions. Here is a list of huddles we recommend that you check. So in this place you can join. Let's share great stories. You can join here. If there's any tax available there, you see it. Home ownership, you can join here. Black business news, you can join here. Okay, so the next thing we need to check is my balance. You can see my balance now. Okay, my total balance here is 110 Blacksby. Okay, this 110 Blacksby. This is amounts awarded to me. Okay, so the moment you just sign up, this very amount will be awarded to you. Okay, this very amount will be awarded to you. Then you keep doing your work and you keep catching out. Okay, let's go to my cash store and see. On my cash store now, you watch carefully. $100 X money transfer. Get $100 money transfer. XC is one of the most reputable foreign exchange brand known for its wide array of online money. By this operator, looking at the cost, speed, and payment options available with this international transfer provider, okay, offered by XC Money, not offered by Blacksby. So the price is 100,000 Blacksby, which is as also which is equal to what? Which is equal to 100,000 USDT. Okay, so currently available worldwide. You can try this. Okay, so on this solar coin, you see you're earning crypto here. You can try this. So solar coin says cryptocurrency that intensify a solar powered planet. Solar energy is now the cheapest fuel in over 150 countries, offered by CoinMarketCap. Okay, not offered by the Blacksby. So the price, 100,000, type, cash, country availability worldwide. You can cash out this. Okay, you can keep following up this, keep performing your tasks, and as I said earlier, if you still remember, I said you can also make your own advert here. Okay, you can also make your own what adverts here. So, and in every money that you have made, you definitely love to cash it out. Okay, which is why I take you to my payout settings. Okay, come to your payout setting here. If you want to be paid in this platform, pay in BTC, ETC, and ETH, which is Ethereum. You paste your cryptocurrency wallet here, and if you want to cash out in PayPal, you place your PayPal here, cash out email here, bank name, bank address, bank phone number, bank transit. So in anyone you want to set up here, you can just set it up here and click on save settings. Okay, it's very simple. Let's see what this my black card is saying. So you must be a black person to qualify for a black card. Wow, it's actually for Africans then. So look at my streams and let's see what's there. So you have now seen this. All you just need to do is follow it carefully, bit by bit, and make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end of this video, so that everything that is happening here you'll be able to see it. Okay, so the next thing I said the other time is the referral programs. Okay, you can just money maker. This audio is for members to money making opportunities. Okay, last post about 3 hours ago. So you have seen my current cash here. Okay, I've seen here. So let me go back to my dashboard. So if there's anything you don't understand here at all, please do well to drop your question at the comment section of this very video, and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Okay, you can see here news, politics, technologies, a lot of things. Honestly, entertainment, world, celebrity, TV, movies, and a lot more is here. You won't regret this app, I promise you. Okay, and I'll be dropping also my referral link at the descriptive section of this very video, and also at the comment section of this very video, so that you can use it to sign up, and let's keep bobbing together. So thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.